This might be what's keeping you stuck in your handstand practice. Everyone is always in a super big hurry to balance their handstand with both legs together. But truthfully, for most people, that is the last shape we learn to balance. Why? Because it's the least stable. You've got your two little hands on the floor and your legs straight up like this, and there's nothing to provide a counterbalance. If you are learning how to free balance your handstand, consider using other leg shapes. Bending one of your legs and shortening a lever like in the charger shape, or bending both of your knees like in the stag shape, or keeping your legs split like in an L-shaped handstand, a Y-shape, or a V-shaped handstand are all gonna help you use those legs as counterbalances. One leg can go over your head and the other one stays behind to act as that counterbalance. Once you're holding your freestanding handstand for a few seconds, then you can work on bringing the legs together. Prioritize the freedom of balance over getting it to look a specific certain way. Find the most viable shape for you and lock into that. Want to learn to fly like a yoga ninja in record time? Click the link in the description to grab a free training and check out our signature program, Yogi Flight School. Thanks for watching.